something, for example, get 51 mark, 52 marks, not to fail, but they just because of need to do the things and they do the things. They are not aggressive, they are not very willing to do this like that.
I have a friend, she told me also, for example, when she invited me to go out, she said, let's go ahead.
Yeah. This also is another use of hair. This hair for go out, when used like for doing something the objective. Not like describing the attitude of the person, not the adjective, but the aim of going out. Hair is mean
just hang out.
No, just hang out. No destination even. Just see there's a cafe and go inside to have. 喂，得唔得閒啊 ？Angela， 我聽日約你去 hea 啊，我冇嘢做啊。係啦，去 hea， 係啦。我for example they go for travel just for relax。今年仲有3日 annual leave。This year still have 3 days annual leave。不如去日本 hea 幾日啊 ？This let's go to Japan hea for a few days. That is just go to Japan, but not for like particular things want to do, particular destination want to sightseeing, etc. Hea. This hea is very commonly used. Or for example, for me, I don't love study. I just 我都唔中意讀書，日日返學都係 hea。That is, my person is physically in the classroom, but I'm not putting any effort for studying or exam, etc. This is hea. 做嘢又 hea, it means work very hea. It means work just 50 marks, 51 marks. Just need to do so, doing the work, but not effort, not putting effort on it. Okay, the next 成日留低啲手尾要人跟，係啦，成日 is mean always， 係啦，留低 is mean left something， leave something， 係啦，啲手尾 is the work left over。有人跟。Like for example, in many company, for example, buying office, when you get an order, you proceed the order, you instruct the factory to do the work right. At the same time, you need to save it into the filing them into the system, right? Because always need to checking. For example, next year you need to see the reference price, get the history to see what this good was sold to the customer, right? And then you need to make record. But some people they just proceed the order for the factory, but they don't save the working history. Even they don't save the document, they don't upload it into system. This is the 手尾. Just like the leftover. For example, you take something to use, and then after using it, actually you should put it back to the right place, right? But many people they don't. They just put it anywhere, and then if another people need to look for it, where they can look for it. That is 冇手尾. For example, I take your pen and then write, and then I just put it here. 我好冇手尾，拎咗支筆冇俾翻人，係啦，拎咗支筆冇 is no， 俾翻係啦，冇還翻俾人，係啦。手尾。阿呢最憎我冇手尾㗎。
I can tell my husband 你好冇手尾。
冇手尾。For example, your husband after.
He do this all the time. I want to tell him. 你好冇手尾。
你好冇手尾 is too serious。要未 say
No.
你咁冇手尾嘅？question mark softer tone。乜你咁冇手尾啊？金 is such。
你咁
冇 is no。
你咁冇手尾。
係啦，手尾 is the manner of don't make the things that over。你咁冇手尾嘅。
Kalau mau foto, ini taruhin
Kẻ.
apa?
乜你咁嘅？
Taruhin
乜
apa?
杯咖啡咁好飲嘅？
佢好手尾。
咁冇 no 冇係啊，好 is good 喎，係啊，冇 is no，好 is good。
Okay.
Yeah, opposite meaning。
So it should be.
If you say 你咁好手尾嘅，then he will do
冇手尾。
the same next time。你咁冇
佢冇手尾。
係佢冇手尾係
Mau sao?
冇手尾係啦。If 係啦，if he put the things anywhere。
Yeah, 不是
你咁冇手尾嘅。 OK， so 要人咧，要 is need。for
Need
example，
other person.
我要咖啡 ，I need coffee because I 釣魚。要 is need。要人咧，人 is another person。
Other person.
要咧男人、女人 ，right？ So
Yeah.
人 is mean person。跟咧 is follow back。Here is mean follow back。
有几个同事？
有係啊，有 and then next I continue 有幾個同事因為咁而要幫佢孭鑊。嗱，有幾個 is have few person。個咧 is the quantity word for person for colleague。colleague 係同事 right？
Yeah.
幾個同事
幾個同事
係啦。嗱，因為 is
Because
係啊，
揀
咁咧 is this
this
because of this。
because of this
而 is and then
and then
係啦，要 is need
要幫
係啦，幫咧 is help
help
係啦，佢 is he。
佢
孭鑊 is carrying the case carrying the can
carrying the can
which is for example use back the case for the ordering system because the person that 冇手尾 so no saving the record no uploading the document into the central system so when time pass by need to take out the history to track the record and then nothing can be tracked so the date is late so when late need to compensation so this compensation is created by John right but because the colleague need to following up the order but they do not have time and they make the company need compensation then the compensation of course the boss will blame blame all the people blame all the colleagues so this 孭鑊 is that you suffer from the boss suffer from the blame from the boss but the reason is not from you it's from another person this is 孭鑊 meaning
孭鑊
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 嗱孭咧 is mean for example the backpack put on the shoulder 孭書包
孭書包
Walk 咧 is the Chinese walk so you imagine the picture the walk is very heavy the shape is very difficult so big to carry on the shoulder but because of your mistake or not responsible then you make your colleague need to hold up the wok on the stove. It's so painful, right?
Yeah.
So imagine the picture. Huh? You go to the Chinese restaurant, the wok is like this diameter.
Yeah.
And then you carry on the shoulder.
Very heavy.
Very poor guy.
Yeah.
Okay, so 佢哋今朝去咗同老細投訴，
投訴。
係啊，佢哋咧 is they，今朝 is this morning，去 is go，去咗 is go。